Let's build a premium profile bottom sheet in Jetpack Compose. Go to Canva for a profile illustration. Create design 120 x 120 px. Add profile avatar 3D. Add 3D circle. Add check. Change color. Add setting icon. Apply color. Align its position. Add sparkle. Export as PNG and add it to the drawable folder in Android Studio. We'll implement it in Android Studio using Jetpack Compose. Create the demo composable. Add the Open Profile button. Add state for sheet visibility. Create the material-free bottom sheet. Customize shape, color, and drag handle. Add the Canva profile illustration. Add title and description. Create the profile information card. Add, edit, settings, and logout actions. Add reusable profile action items. Final result. Logical tips. Our premium profile bottom sheet is now complete.